What's the meaning of Bible Belt? Bible Belt. Bible Belt.
Bible Belt. Bible Belt. The term Bible Belt refers to a region in the southeastern and south-central United States where a high percentage of the population holds conservative religious beliefs, particularly in Protestant Christianity. The area is known for its strong emphasis on traditional family values and strict adherence to biblical teachings, and is characterized by churches with large congregations and devout followers. This region has been identified as a cultural and political powerhouse due to its impact on national elections and social issues. The name Bible Belt was first coined in the early 20th century to describe this religiously conservative area, and it remains a popular term to this day.